Retail fam, welcome back. MWhalekiller over here. We're gonna do a market update today. I think that a lot of people are really waiting for a market update. I was planning on doing the Weex tutorial today, so guys, I think that a market update is a bit more important today to share. Maybe I will do it in the evening. I really don't know. If I have the time, I will do the tutorial, maybe release it in the evening. But for now, guys, a market update is very essential, and well, let's dive into it directly. So the first question I want to answer, I already answered these questions a lot of times, and I've been sharing this chart also for a lot of times, a long time. So the ones that are watching this vid, first of all, guys, all the ones that have been safe, all the ones that are in huge gains shorting markets, especially from the private group, all the ones that sold their bags when I was warning them to sell it, push the like, leave a comment, share these vids, let the world know, because again and again and again, they are hiding my vids, they're ghosting my vids, they're shadow banning my vids, they're shadow banning my X account. It's all for a reason. It's all for a reason. So guys, here are my vids. You can see them over here. Guys, it's just look at the past vids that I made. I think it all started, the ones when I started explaining over here the crypto crash, next altcoins predicted, over here the dangers of Bitcoin and stocks going down, time to go short hunting on meme coins. You guys all saw the P&Ls running, still running. The team is making so much money at this moment. It's really mind-blowing. I really have no words for it. So shorting meme coins, but it's really these vids. Look at them, guys. 288 views, 326 views, 290. It's really, I really don't get it. I just really don't get it. I just don't get it. I really don't know. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm seeing it all wrong. Maybe it's the hype and the FOMO and getting wrecked over and over again, getting liquidated over and over again. Maybe that's the way to go on social media. Maybe that's what attracts people. Maybe that's what people want to see. They just want to open up their YouTube channel or they want to go on YouTube and just search for anyone that's going to get them wrecked, and they just start watching those guys. I really don't get it. It was just like this one. It was just like this one over here. Where was it? I tweeted about it today. Look at this. Where is he? Where are they? No, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I shared it today, wasn't? Yeah, over here. This one. Just look at it. 4 April, guys, might want to take profits on those Degen meme coins. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This trade was opened, what was it, 4, 5, 6 days ago? Might want to take profit on those Degen coins. It's already too late. Listen. The team already shorted already 900% gains from 4.5. So they're already in, what is this? On spot, it's a loss of almost 30% loss. And now you're going to tell people that they have to take profits on the Degen meme coins? Always 3 steps behind. So when they're going up, it's all about, guys, you have to make money, we're going to the moon, meme coins are the best. And when the price drops with 30-40%, they start tweeting this, might want to take profits. People are already wrecked over here. They already are in losses of 20-30% on their own. Oh my God, it's really, you know, traders versus selling influencers. 23k followers versus 1.5 million followers. Just look at this. Isn't this something that makes you want to throw up. I'm gonna talk about myself. I really get sick of this when I see this. When I see guys like these newsreaders, and then they tweet things like this, might want to take profits on digital meme coins. Listen, I've been telling you the dark side of meme coins 7 days ago. 7 days ago. 6 days ago I was telling you. 2 days ago I was telling you again. And then today, this is today for it, I think it's today. Is it today? No, it was yesterday. Yesterday. Might want to take profit on those digital meme coins. I really don't get it how stupid retailers are. 1.5 million followers. And guys, by the way, I like these two guys. Those altcoin daily guys. They're nice guys. I'm not, but it's about the content. It's about the content. And I've said it a lot of times. Retailers, any retailer in the market, you are in the markets to make money. That's it. You're in the money. You're not in the markets or watching my vids or the vids of Altcoin Daily, for example, because you like those guys or because you like me. No. You guys are in the markets to make money. Look at this. Is this 1.5 million versus 23K? And this is just one of the thousands of examples. I'm trying to show you guys how to make money and how to not get wrecked. 1.5 million followers. It's really a disgrace. It makes me so sick. Okay, well, let me get back to the topic. So what is this? This is Mexc GPT. So this is for the one that asked me on X, what is this? This is gold versus Bitcoin. This means that whales or people or whoever, they have gold Mexc. This is digital gold. They flip it to Bitcoin and vice versa. So they keep flipping it for max gains. So first of all, if we go into the technicals, this is a triple. So this is, first of all, we had this bottom, double bottom, well, boom. Now we've got, you can see that's the first bottom. We go up, maybe come back, second bottom, and then go up. But either way, if you want to see this as a triple, or if you want to see this as another double in the making, either way, if this thing, to make a double, it first needs to come up. And in the processing coming up, that's a lot of blood. Because if this candle, you see this tiny, if this candle goes up to the channel over here, this could cause a lot of blood. Let me give you an example. You see this spike over here when we made this double bottom went up. This was over here when it reached over here. Do you know where Bitcoin was at that moment? Let me show you. This was at 2 January 23. 2 January 23. This is when Bitcoin was at 16K. So for you to understand this chart, if these candles go up, it means that Bitcoin will bleed and bleed hard. So this is when Peter Schiff has the time of his life, when this thing goes up. So for now, just to reach this, because you have to see this, guys, this is TA, this is how I make money, this is how I nail markets, this is how I nail predictions. It's by analyzing markets, combining charts and combining everything that comes together, and not by getting a lot of offers to make a lot of money, to show you guys a lot of projects from which you're going to get wrecked from, because that's what the rest does. I made a tweet about this today. Let me see. So guys, look at this. We had this hit and this hit. So for now, suppose that a minimum of, suppose that it wants to come. So we don't, you have to, guys, you have to understand, we don't even have to break up over here and go to these levels. We don't even have to. Only a test, only a test over here, if this thing comes out, oh, let me put it a bit up. So only a test, if it comes tested only and hit resistance, this rise up could make a lot of people poor in crypto. So keep that in mind, please. That's how I'm seeing it. That's how I'm analyzing it. And that's how you should see it. And I know, if you would watch 100 crypto content creators making vids, I think nobody will show you this. Nobody will even talk about this. You know why? Because this is not selling. You will not be interested in watching his vids, etc. Because why? Because this is not what a retailer wants to hear. But we and the team, we make money on the way up, and the team makes money on the way down. So the team is following my step by step, following me step by step by what I'm analyzing here, and they are shorting. Look what they're doing. This is what the team is doing. And I'm just giving you guys just a simple example. Listen. This is how I sit on a table with the team. Look at this. Look at this. This is a lot of money. A lot of money. And by the way, this is just a position that I'm showing for CT. These guys, they trade on platforms from which I cannot share on Twitter because that's private. But these guys have massive gains. They go in heavy on these trades based on solid TA, fundamentals, alpha, and combination of what I share. And there are also a lot of retailers making a lot of gains, the ones that have been watching these vids. Time to go short hunting, time to go this, time to go short meme coins. And there are a lot of people that have a lot of money and they start doing that exactly. They start doing it, they're making sick gains. And this is just the beginning. Because I've tweeted about this also, we are still at 67K. We didn't dump yet. Because the first one is, I told you, the first real, let me show you guys Bitcoin. So, power up Bitcoin. Look what happened. We've got this strong liquidation zone. This is very strong resistance under support. So we flipped. What we did is this. We broke resistance over here. We went up, made a new all-time high, and look at this wick over here. You see this wick? It's into perfection on the line. So what it did was we went up, came back, retested this liquidity zone, and look how strong we bounced up. Because this was a big move up. So could have made a lot of money on this one. This was a move of, what was it? A move of almost 20%. It's a lot, guys. 20% move. But it was, you have to see it like this because we went up. And as you guys know, I warned you about this one. So we went up, came down, retested this liquidation zone, and then came up. But then, normally, we should have pumped even to higher highs. But the reason why we did not has something to do with the fact that the US markets are also slowing down. Look at this, I shared this also, it's slowing down. And what am I teaching you guys for over years now is that Wall Street rules the Bitcoin price. As long as you're in a denial and you're not understanding this, you don't want to understand this, whatever. Wall Street rules the Bitcoin price. And now we're at the bottom of the channel, as you guys can see, because now we've got this hit over here, and we've got this hit over here. So now is the question, it's very important, are we going to hold this one? Because you see as it is, it's starting to get green again. So when we hit the bottom, you can expect that whales will start opening longs and start to defend this zone over here. And well, they're doing it as we speak, but as long as they will hold it or even pump it, Bitcoin will hold. Don't have to be afraid for Bitcoin. It will hold. Or some black swan has to happen. But if nothing weird happens, Bitcoin will hold. If this thing starts breaking, because let me put on the indicator so you'll understand it a bit better. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? We broke the indicator on November 23, guys. November 23. We didn't close above the indicator ever since. Ever since. Look at it. So if we close a daily candle below the indicator and below this channel, helmet time. Helmets. So that's the only thing I can tell you. Helmets. As long as we're holding, we're probably gonna bounce and Bitcoin will be okay. So let me go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin for now, guys. All my analyses I made and shared about you, with you, they're all solid and I'm just waiting for it. My next level for Bitcoin is the 50k level. And don't 51, 52, 49, 48, I don't care, everything in this zone over here. This is where Bitcoin will be tested. This is the real test for Bitcoin. And it needs to hold at 50k level. And this thing needs to get rejected over here. Are you understanding how I'm combining my charts here? Suppose that this thing goes up. When we reach resistance over here is where I will be very, very bullish on Bitcoin. Because why? A rejection down for a double would mean that Bitcoin could make a nice rise up. That's how you make money. Understanding and combining charts, understanding the macro. That's how you make the biggest gains, because I'm not afraid. When I do my analyze and I prepare myself, I go in heavy, I make the big money, and then I regroup and go for my next move. That's how you make money. And not by just aping into any shitcoin or any meme coin or listening to your favorite guru that is telling you to buy whatever, and yes, when he tells you about it, the altcoin will probably pump that moment, but he will get into your mind and it's all a scam, and at some point you'll get dumped on and you'll be that heavy bag holder, and they took all the money out, they took all the liquidity out, and they leave you wrecked behind. That's just how it works, guys. That's just how it works. So again, for this one, what was I saying? Here, this one. Because, guys, I understand that sharing realistic model doesn't make me any I'm not, if I wanted to be popular and have like 100, 200k followers, I can do just like all those other guys do. I start shilling whatever, a meme coin out there, and I can get a lot of money to do so. A lot of money. I'm getting a lot of offers with a lot of money on daily basis, guys. So on daily basis, I'm getting a lot of money offered to shill whatever meme coin, shit coin out there. The only thing that how I will share an altcoin is because when I believe in it. I cannot share something because someone else is believing in it and wants to pay me to share it. I'm also telling them I will never ever do that. When I will share an altcoin, it's because I want to invest in it and not because someone is telling me to share it, because there is motive over there. You feel me? Although I can make a lot of money. So guys, that's about Bitcoin. The bubbles, well, the bubbles. Look at this. Bonk, 22%. WLD, I warned you about it, 21%. You can love me, you can hate me, whatever. Shiba Inu, almost 14% down. Beam, private members, you all know, you feel me? 80% down. Sui, I warned you, they had a big unlock coming up. 25% down. Aptos, a big unlock. 25% down. Doge, meme coin, 20% down. Warned you about it. Floki, 22% down. Warned you about it. I can keep go on and on and on and on. And guys, I am not your average influencer that is telling you the good things that he said and hiding the bad things. There are no other things. My X post, I never ever removed a post in my life on X. Everything I've shared for 3 years is over here. So if you wanna check it all, and if it's not like I'm telling, look at this one. Look at this one. Let's see. Or you can show them. And that's what we're showing you. So I promise you, read my remember my words what I'm going to say now. I will share huge green peanuts on shorting meme coins that the team will do the coming days, weeks. I will share. You heard it? Read my lips, I told you guys. But you guys cannot see my lips. So how can you read them? Well, remember my words. So I corrected myself. Just remember my words. I told you I'm gonna share them. I promised you. Well, there they are. 1000%. So guys, please focus when I'm sharing something. Try to understand. I always explain when I say something in my vids. I always explain you guys why I think what I think and how I think it. So it's not like I'm telling you, oh, today we're gonna dump, tomorrow we're gonna pump, whatever. No, I give you my analyze, I give you my thoughts, and I tell you what I think, and it's you that have to decide how, when, or why. Guys, I'm going to do a Weex tutorial. I don't know, today or maybe tomorrow. So I'm gonna figure out. It's a very important one. By the way, guys, for the ones that are trading on Mexc DMing me about the KYC, Mexc is going KYC. So if you don't like to KYC, this is your way to go. I will make a tutorial about them, Weex, and while you're at it, you'll also get the best bonuses available in the markets. And this is no shilling, and I'm not getting paid to say this. These are just facts. You will get the best bonuses available on the markets. By the way, guys, to get these bonuses, read the terms. They're all explained over here, so don't please don't DM me when you didn't read this and I don't know what happened to you, and then you'll say, wait a minute, but MB, why is this, why is that? Just read the terms. It's all just very clear over here. They explain it step by step. And the 20, this is mind-blowing, 20% deposit bonus. So guys, it's a no-brainer. So if you want to join, because I'm getting also some DMs today about people that want to join Discord or TG. The only way to join us is to trade on Weex. By the way, Weex is getting so much altcoins on there, so most altcoins we trade are already on Weex, and they're adding every week a lot of altcoins, because in the beginning there were not a lot of altcoins available. Now there are almost all of them are over there. So Weex, and they're also adding a lot of spot pairs on Weex. They're growing very fast, very fast, and the native token is very near. But I will explain more on my Weex tutorial. So if you want to join the private group Weex, there is a link below. You can open up an account and start trading over there, and that's how you get access to the private group. And more importantly, the indicator. So the indicator, there was a time, yes, I was offering it for free to retailers. That time is gone. Nothing is going to be for free, and that's not because I'm asking money for it. No, it's still free, but I'm done by retailers doing nothing, following shillers, and then come into the retail fam community, take whatever they want to take, and then they go use it against us with those shilling influencers. Those times are gone. So for now, we have to be sure that you want to be a part of our community. And if you want to be a part of our community, safe trading with our capital mindset, educating and making really, really, real life-changing money, and not the ones that the scammy ones, they get you, they're leading you to the slaughterhouse to get slaughtered, and so they can become financially independent and you'll become very poor. Those are just facts. So if you wanna get the indicator, it's the same. You have to be trading on Weex or Mexc, and the links are below, and that's how you get them. So guys, I'm gonna close it up. For now, it's just eyeing the markets, and well, nothing changed. So we're just waiting, and waiting. Leave a like, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.